Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we've got the pop top here. And if you're not familiar, this is actually the old roof off of the bus. So we're gonna get this pop top, pull it over to the front of the house, get it cleaned up, restored, check out the conditions it's in. Do not sit on it. Oh, you're gonna lift it? Somehow, no, not the pop, we're gonna carry the whole roof over there.
Why?
We're gonna attempt to carry this whole shebang over to the front of the house so it can be close to the hose. We're gonna get it cleaned up and check out the conditions it's in, because before I get the entire bus reassembled after it's painted, I wanna make sure that the pop top and everything fits on well, as if once it's painted and I try to mount the pop top and it starts scratching my paint job, it's gonna be a big deal. I'm not gonna be happy about that. We gotta restore the pop top anyways. Let's get to it so that we don't have to work in rust today. Let's take a break from rust. This is really the first time I see the inside of it. It actually looks pretty good. It's not bad, right? Some rotten wood and the wasp nest there.
Oh, honey.
Kill that wasp.
I can't.
We got the hinges, we got all the stuff, all the hardware looks like it's there. Oh, there's another nest there. That is, it's alive. It's okay, it's cold. They're not gonna do anything. And then we've got the luggage rack. Probably gonna take all these rivets out, take these out, de-rust them, clean them up, and then use some stainless steel hardware. All right, let's move the vehicles. So of course, since we're trying to record a video, the truck was dead. I got the jump box from my dad's house. Got the jump box from my dad's house, and we're gonna jump the truck so that we can pull the Scooby back, which hopefully we're taking it back to Justin tomorrow. And then we're gonna get to cleaning the pop top so we can see what we're working with, huh? Do you guys think she knows how to do this? What if we just watched her and see if she knows? I don't think she even knows how to untangle it. How long until she gets mad at me for not helping is the question. Okay, she's plugging that in. Oh, she got me. You were doing so good.
That was so embarrassing.
Do you know how to do the thing? Let's see if you could do it. Let's see how well you would do on your own.
I know that red's positive and black's negative.
See, you open it.
I know this. Just give me a minute.
This video's gonna be just hours of you figuring stuff out.
My nails, so I can't
Right
get dirty,
there,
baby.
that little guy just turned. This is painful to watch. People tuned in to watch a Vangabonders video, ended up watching Mallory learn how to jumpstart a vehicle video.
I don't know the voltage, but I'm guessing. Wait, let me look. It's gonna be 40 amp.
Well, it does say engine start there. Maybe you should put it on engine start.
Hey, I don't know what any of this means. Okay, 12 volts, yeah, okay. How do you turn it on?
Just put it on the hold position, so crank it, yeah. Boom.
All right, now I know how to use this thing.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, super thanks, and just join us. Ooh.
Oh, that was fancy. When it's cool outside, you can drink a lukewarm beer, which is what we're doing. So fun.
Mallory got impatient, so she's gonna try to crank it over again. It's only been like 2 minutes. Well, that's all it took. Good job. Let's get the Subaru moved. Mallory is going to attempt to pull me in the Subaru.
Attempt!
And now, back to your scheduled programming. We're gonna set the pop top right here, and we're gonna get to cleaning it. So we're using great value, just cheap bleach, the cheapest bleach you can find. And then one of these outdoor cleaner things, it's pretty much just overpriced bleach, but I already had it because I used it to clean my house. And we're gonna see what this does, killing the mold, and then maybe do a little pressure washing, I don't know. We'll see. As you can see, with just one bottle of bleach and some red Scotch-Brite, it looks pretty good already. Now if you take a closer look, you can see the cracks and imperfections. I found one nick, which should be easy to fix. Of course, we're gonna drill out all these rivets and replace it with stainless steel so that we can sand down and restore these and all these little strap down points. A couple tiny hairline cracks that could easily be restored. But this thing should look brand new by the time it's ready to put on the bus, and that's the plan. Also, as that time lapse was going, the new shipment of Vangabonders stickers showed up. We give the UPS guy some homemade cupcakes, and there are the stickers. Email us if you want one. They're $3 a piece. I shipped them out myself, and currently we only have like 25 because I'm using a new sticker person. So it's actually in pretty good conditions. We're gonna have to repair that there. That's just like the structural wooden member covered in fiberglass. No big deal. But it looks pretty good. It's pretty intact. Now we're gonna flip the pop top side. Probably do it on the ramp or somewhere wooden so that we don't mess it up flipping it on the gravel. And root. I've had a few to drink. We're gonna remove all the canvas and see where we're at and what we got to repair. So I want to take the pop top over to the ramp. Mallory's busy taking selfies.
Look how great this is!
Let's see it. Obviously we're a few more in.
Here it is, you ready?
Let's see. Wow. Everyone make sure to go hit that photo with a like on Instagram.
Isn't it cute?
Yeah, it's amazing. What are you, holding the sun?
I'm holding the sun.
So we've got the top flipped on the ramp as to not have it on gravel flipped. Now we're gonna take off the staples and all that stuff on the inside. Give it a good old pressure wash cleaning on the inside. And then we'll probably be done for the day, maybe. No? You want to keep working? Oh, you're excited to be done.
Well, you have to edit, I have to edit.
All right, let's get back to work. Wait a second, So unfortunately on that last time lapse, my phone ran out of storage, but we got the whole canvas ripped out. We left the wood because we're gonna have to copy it in order to remake it. And now we're gonna pressure wash it, put it up. I'm gonna edit this video, and we should have a vlog for you guys. Let's go finish.
How weird does that look?
So the last step before putting it up, cleaning up the inside. And then when we get back to work on it, we'll probably be making this wood, using it as a template and remaking it. And just a few other things that you guys would surely love to see. But for now, let's get it all cleaned up so we can pack it up. Oh, whoa, whoa. So now we've got the inside and the outside clean. Mallory's tired, I'm tired. Let's put it all back where it was. We're gonna return the pop top to that spot over there where it doesn't obstruct the house. And then we'll be wrapping up this video. It's been a fun day, a lot of work. So after one full days of work, we have a brand new looking pop top. Now, we are gonna need to, restore it and fix the little cracks and stuff, but at least it's not moldy anymore and we know what we're working with. So make sure to stay tuned and subscribe if you want to see us complete this pop top restoration. as it is going on our 1973 tin top to pop top conversion restoration. Cheers. Thanks for watching. This was for all my Vangabonders.